Glad I'm not in your class. This is crooked.
Yeah.
Get it back. Then once you get it all tacked up, you just finish your welds, check it, make sure it's straight as you want it, hopefully straighter than what I did here, just doing a quick job. Take the time, the more prep you do with your magnets and getting everything aligned, the more it'll pay off. Once you put this shield down, it's hard to see and you can't just adjust on the fly if something slips or moves. So don't be afraid to use more magnets, vice grips, other clamps to get your project where you want it to be as far as squareness and straightness. That's on you guys. Other than that.
All right.